Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Driven Wyld. Today we are talking about rating issue on Uber Eats. So recently I got an email from one of my subscribers. Hunsla, thank you so much for emailing me about this and making this video possible. Now, she was saying that she saw one of my videos on the rating system and there's apparently a blind spot that I have not covered from that. So with that said, we are talking about everything that's being said in this article, how it actually is for Doordash, UberEats, and Grubhub drivers and customers, and everything in between. So with that said, let's get started. Hi, Driven Wyld. Okay, I guess you're not talking to me about this. My bad. I saw your video addressing the Uber rating system scam. I am UberEats Driver and have been monitoring my rating carefully every minute. So just 3 hours ago, my rating was sitting at 79% with 11 thumbs up and 2 thumbs down. From customers, 1 thumb down from the merchant. Not sure how 2 thumbs up disappeared and only showing 9 now. How is that even possible? Okay, so I can't confirm this 100%, but I can confirm I've had a similar issue on Instacart. So on Instacart, my rating is okay, but I can't get it past a single point because sometimes some of my ratings don't actually stay on there long. But then again, I'm also not a very active driver. I'm not in a market where Instacart is really good for me as a gig worker. So when I do take them, it's very sporadic. I got ratings. This is an engaging market in that way, but I can't seem to get to 100 ratings because I don't take enough orders to get 100 ratings on, if that makes sense. So I can't say how long specifically because I don't do Instacart enough to pay attention to that, but I do think if you're in a market where it's not as engaging in terms of your ratings, some ratings can expire. Now, how long does it take for them to expire? I don't know. I think it's like a year or something if I were to guess off the top of my head, but I couldn't say for certain. Either way, it's something to keep track of. I tried removing/changing ratings I gave to the driver from my own customer account last week, and it's not even possible to change the rating. Then what happened? Can you please address this issue? Like I said, I think it's an expiration. I don't really know. I can't even say for certain what your issues are with this. On the last 100 ratings, it looks like you only have 12. Period. You had 14, now it's 12. My questions would be as follows. How often are you going out with gig work? How often do you take Uber Eats orders as opposed to other platforms? Because I'll tell you what, I'm a pretty active gig worker, but I'm not super active on every platform. I'm not super active on Shipt, so I only have 1 or 2 ratings. I'm not super active on Instacart. I don't have 100 yet. I'm not super active on Freight, so I really only have 1 rating, and it's not even good. So it really depends on the full scope of the story, you know? All in all, I wouldn't worry too much, especially if you're a new driver, unless you are in a market where you're not getting too many orders at all, and you're only getting a certain amount of orders, that this isn't something you really need to worry about. And I would actually try to have more orders where you're engaging with customers and actually requesting for good ratings. Like just text them after and say, hey, I hope you have an awesome day. Ratings really help us drivers. I'd really appreciate a 5-star rating. And just send that. It doesn't need to be super complicated. It doesn't need to be ass kissy or anything like that. Just request for ratings. It's a call to action. It's common in business. Anyway, that's really all I have for this. Sorry to hear that happened. I hope that it gets better. And if anybody else has any other advice for this, let us know in the comments, and let's make sure that anybody and everybody who has a market like this or doesn't really do Uber Eats often enough to get a strong buildup of ratings can actually do that, so that way they can make the most amount of money in the least amount of time in the safest possible way. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. As always, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.